It's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in about 7 minutes. Watching HMNY, maybe for a potential pre-market trade, but not quite sure. Regardless, so if I do decide to try to trade it pre-market, I'll do my best to capture it on video. If not, I will see you back for the market open. I do currently have an order out here at 28.35 on HMNY. Doubt it gets down there pre-market, but in case there's all of a sudden a big flush or something, the order does exist, and I plan on having that order out there at the opening bell too, so we'll see what happens with it. Market now opens up in about 4 minutes. Well, market doesn't open up for another 3 minutes, but it's looking like I have a potential here to get filled at 28.35. So let's see if that can happen. There we go, 80 shares, 280 of the 500 that I want. All right, is it really just going to give me 280? Looks like it, so I'll just have to go with this. And let's see if I can just get 28.70 out of it. Not exactly the size that I wanted, but I will try for some more down here at 27.75. Just double checking things. There we go. So market opens up still in about 2 minutes. The official open, obviously it's open right now because I'm pre-market trading. So when I say open, I just mean the official open. So again, only got 280 shares. We'll see if I can pick up some more here. Actually, what I should be doing here, 27.25. There we go. So let's see, it'll get a lot more volatile once the market actually opens. So I am going to go ahead and pause it. Actually, I'll just let it run and we'll see exactly how it opens as soon as the market opens up. And I'll just stall a little bit here and talk about who knows what. Nice fall day here in Michigan. So looking like 28.50, maybe somewhat of a level of resistance. But we'll see what happens when the market actually opens up. I like the entry point at 28.35. I think that's a great first entry. If anything, like I said, I'm willing to build more. I only have 280 shares, so not exactly a huge position at this point. But I really do like 28.35 as an entry point. Oh, nice. All right. Okay, let me just get focused here. So let's see. My average is 27. So let's do 85. And then 95, and 28.15. So I have 840 still, not even 1,000 shares yet. Average is at 27.50. Let's try for some at 25. Let's see. Did I make a mistake? I think I did. Yeah, I put my orders in at the wrong location. I don't know what I did. How do I only... Oh no, there we go. I got some out at 26.52, but I don't know why. I don't know why it did that. So I'll let it go here since I'm now back to 280 shares. Not gonna lie though, I am confused on the trade. I ended up losing $55 on it. So what happened? Okay. The 26.52 was supposed to be 27.52. Shoot. Well, that's my own fault then for not paying attention. So what should have been a good solid opening trade turned out to be a loser of $55 because I didn't type in. I'll have to go back and watch this, but just talking out loud right now in real time. Yeah, that order definitely should have been, because my average was 27.50, so that should have been, I'm not sure, but I definitely did not mean on selling down there at 26.52. So yeah, all right. Anyways, opening trade was a loser. So let's see what else I can find. All right, looking to get just initial shares here at 1665 on SNAP. I want more than this, but it's a starting spot. Actually, let's go up to 1675. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. But now seeing what's forming. Let's try for some here at 49. There we go, nice. So if it wants to give me a quick $50, I'll take it. If not, at least I got my feet wet in the trade here. So let's see what it wants to do. Again, 500 shares of a of a stock that's, below $20. Not exactly a huge position, but it definitely at least gets my feet wet here. So let's see if we can get up to 75 or not. I'm going to try for some up there at 69 too. Try for some at 65. Well, as the chart has unfolded here, I'm just going to need to get out there at 45 if it wants to break down there through 50. So the whole 10-cent order or 10-cent score is kind of, that ship has sailed at this point in time. So we'll see if it can get down there through 1650 or not. And I was wrong, could have had my 10 cents, but it is what it is. Wasn't exactly cooperating. Let's see what's going on with JD here. Oh, there's some nice movement. So we'll try 38.37 here. See if it can get down there or not. Still got a ways to move, but as you can see here, quite the nasty candle. So I'll pause it and let you know if it looks like I'm going to get filled. All right, right now I currently have several fishing orders out there, which you can all see right here. One on HMNY, HAWK, and then DPZ, which is what we're looking at right now. So bobbers are in the water, just a matter of seeing if I can get any nibbles, so I will keep you updated. All right, I have an order in at 975 here on NSTG. Not sure if it'll plunge down that low or not, but try to capture the break of $10 here on video. Still have an order out there on HMNY at 25.55, so no idea if that'll get filled or not. But for the time being, we'll keep an eye on NSTG. Again, $10 is that key break. And it doesn't seem to want to break right now, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it as we're almost at 10 minutes already on the video. Well, I'd like to try to short FLXN here, but my broker Lightspeed does not have any shares, so let's see what else is out there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and try to get some shares here at 29.70 for an initial entry point on CARG. This is a IPO. Nice, got those. Would like to get some more. So we'll see if that's going to be possible or not. All right, so it decided to just give me a quick, let me get this in place first. Gave me a quick $50. I'm interested in playing it at 29.37 if it wants to pull back there. Again, just 500 shares, so it's not like it's going to be some huge score. I feel like I should get in now before it goes over 30, but that would be chasing, and don't want to chase. Although in hindsight here in a few minutes, probably going to be saying I should have just bought at 30, but we'll see what happens with it. And there it goes through 30. But a pretty big spread on this one, so that's why I didn't want to chase or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and, while we're at 11 minutes now, yeah, I'm definitely going to pause it. All right, sorry about that. Super fast move there. So I got 200 shares, so I'll just take those out for another, I don't know, what was that, $32 or something like that. So wow, that thing jumped very quickly. What is that? I'll go 29.20 here. Just double checking a few things. There we go, got that. So I'm going to go, well, I'll leave it here. All right, got those. So let's see if it wants to either give me a quick $50 or if it's going to allow me to buy some more. All right, it decided to just give me a quick $50. 28.75, just double checking. Okay, yep, that's what I want. After my fiasco earlier this morning, definitely doing the double checking here. So let's see if we can get filled at 28.75 on the pullback. I know, so I suppose if you don't like the long videos, then you probably stopped watching this a long time ago. So I'll just keep letting it roll. And I'm going to go ahead and pause it here for the time being. All right, looking for 28.60 here on CARG. Let's see if it can work its way down there or not. Hung up now on 28.88. So maybe not. I'm going to go ahead and pause it. All right, looking like it could get in play here. Again, 28.60. All right, I'm going to go ahead and change this to 28.37. So just double checking. Yeah, 28.37 is what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, looking for 28.37. See if it can break down there through 28.50. Okay, there we go, got those. We'll look once again for the 10 cents, or if I can build bigger. Go for some at 27.75 if it actually wants to go down that low. Let's see what happens. Trying to chomp its way through the 30s. There we go. And all right, 430 of my 500. All right, all right. Thought it was going to hang me out to dry with 70 shares, but got my $50 again. Did it ever break 28? Low of 28 exactly. So never got my 27.75s. Although I am willing to do 27.65. So double checking, 27.65. Okay, gonna put those out there. Let's see if I can happen to get those. So I will pause it and keep you updated. All right, there was the move down through 28. Almost filled me, but not quite. Still willing to get a little bit of wiggle room here. All right, at this point, I'm going to 27.37. So let's see if we can get down there and get that filled. How low did it actually go? It went as low as 27.50 exactly. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Should have stayed at 27.65, but hey, that's why we're all rich in our hindsight accounts, right? All right, I'm actually going to change this to 27.17 now. Double checking, and I will pause it. I'm going to go ahead and end it there. So up 147. If it wasn't for my own stupidity, I should be up at least 300. I'm doing that math off the top of my head, so don't quote me, but I would say at least $300 is what I should be up. Instead, that one cost me the $55. But it is what it is. It happens. So if you are interested in trading alongside me and other traders, and I do offer a private trading room, you can go to claytrader.com, and that is called the Inner Circle. Cost is only $99 per year, not per month, per year. And you can, I give my watch list there, and I make real-time commentary and alerts. So, I was typing over there about this one as I traded it. So that is $99, like I said, a year. If you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, then again, claytrader.com, I offer many online video courses on how to use charts and such to help out as a trader. So thank you as always for watching. And if you enjoyed the video and want me to keep making these, easiest way to communicate that to me is click the like button and subscribe to the channel. That really helps out a lot, and I appreciate it. So thank you for hanging out if you're still watching this for quite a while, and I'll see you back next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.